the rise of groundwater table leading to possible increase in salinity resulting in reduction in ठीक है. Waterlogging cannot be eliminated in certain but can be controlled only if the quantity of water floating in the soil is checked and reduced. ये हो गया. This annual rainfall of distribution A in millimeters then it's center of 3 meter of span में the maximum minimum values in the moving standards भी देख लो. अब इसमें होगा P max ये होगा P minimum ये हो गया. ठीक है. अभी हो गया खोसला फार्मूला फॉर असेसिंग. खोसला फार्मूला असेसिंग डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन अंडर वियर फ्लोर बेस्ड ऑन पोटेंशियल फ्लो इम्परमेबल एयर जस्ट बीनीथ द ग्राउंड. देखो इन ए साइफन एक्वाड्रेट डिफॉल्ट कंडीशन ऑफ अपलिफ्ट ऑन द फ्लावर में कब होगा डी जब कैनल एम्प्टी और ड्रेनेज फुल हो टेबल हाइट भी हो. ठीक है. जीरो ड्रेनेज हार्डनेस ऑफ वाटर ये अचीव कब होता है आयन एक्सचेंज ट्रीटमेंट से 5 days BOD of 10% and diluted sample of D not equal to 6.7 milligram per liter, D is equal to 2 milligram per liter, and consumption of oxygen in blank is 0.5 milligram per liter. ये क्या होगा 42 milligram per liter. BOD D1 minus D2 minus B1 minus B2 F upon P into 100. अब देखो BOD आंसर करें तो 42 milligram per liter. अभी देखो which one of the following statement related to testing of water for municipal is correctly applicable? B when clarity greater than total equivalent hardness is equal to total hardness mg1. The capacity of a service reservoir in a campus would cater to sum of from balancing storage, breakdown storage and fire. Total capacity balancing storage plus fire plus emergency groundwater pollutant B मतलब a moderate amount of fluoride about 0.6 milligram per liter to 1.5 milligram per liter in drinking water would help in good development of this. ये हो जाएगा. ठीक है. अभी देखो एंकरेज ऑफ पाइप कन्वेइंग वाटर डी मतलब एट बेंड में पाइप टेंड टू पुल अपार्ट ये हो जाए. एट बेंड फोर्सेस एक्सर्टेड ऑन द ग्राउंड ड्यू टू नंबर्स एंड जॉइंट में भी. ठीक है. टू अवॉइड प्रॉब्लम ब्लैक हाइड्रोग्लास पाइप हैंग कॉट विद दिस पाइप्स आर आल्सो एंकर्ड ऑन स्टीप स्लोप. ये हो गया. व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रिफर टू बायो एनर्जी सी मतलब प्लांट एज ए रिन्यूएबल प्लांट इज आल्सो इंश्योर continuous supply of gases due to continuous recovery. Cost of obtaining energy from biogas is less than that of from addition of sludge may produce H2O NOx which are injurious to humanity. Floating dome installation is the preferred option as it supplies gas at constant pressure effective quantity. Consider the following statement regarding waste stabilization process. A the pond has a symbiotic process of waste stabilization through algae on one hand and gravity on the other. सेकेंड कहते हैं ऑक्सीजन ऑन द हैंड प्रोवाइडेड बाय algae थ्रू फोटोसिंथेसिस. ये दो चीज़ हो गया. ठीक है. प्रोपोसरी कार्बन आफ्टर वाटर सॉफ्टनिंग बाय द लाइमस्टोन क्या होगा डिकम्पोजिशन प्रोसीड टू सॉल्युबल फॉर्म्स इन द वाटर. ये हो गया. एनवायरमेंटल फ्लो ऑफ रिवर रिफर्स टू क्वांटिटी एंड लिमिटेड ऑफ फ्लूइड रिक्वायर्ड इन द रिवर टू सस्टेन द इकोनॉमिक. अब द मॉइस्चर कंटेंट सर्टेन मस्ट बी देखिए रहा जिसमें सी में क्या होगा फ्लड में ड्राई वाटर मतलब 200 ये होगा. अभी देखो डी व्हेन अब ये डी में क्या है प्लास्टिक लिमिट इज ऑलवेज लोअर than the liquid limit for this for any at the liquid in the soil as a liquid and possess no serious strength at all. ठीक है. अब ये होगा 2 and 4 when subjected to drying the volume of the soil remains unchanged once the water content of the soil goes below the single limit. सही बात है. डो डी हो गया. ठीक है. ये होगा the troposphere में पहली बात है gases contents before contrastly churned by turbulence and mixing. the mixing makes the weather. ये हो गया. ठीक है. अब तीसरा कौन सा है the ultimate energy source for producing any weather change is the sun. ये हो जाएगा. ठीक है. अब अगला देखो sand sample process this 40 degrees Celsius and 4.4 ये हो गया. What will the unity weight of a fully saturated soil sample having water content 38% gas by 2.7 S is equal to WG. ये हो जाएगा. Result this one. How many cubic meter of the soil having voidness of 0.7 can be made from 30 meter cube of soil with voidness of 1.2. देखो E is equal to ये B is equal to BS 1 plus यहाँ से 30 soil के लिए भी 21. A dry sand specimen is put through a trial exam. The cell pressure 40 and division 1. The angle of pressure for this क्या था B 40. Sigma C sigma 3 sigma D is equal to this 150. C is equal to 0 5 equal to sigma equal to sigma 3 tan square 45 degree पर 185 हो जाएगा. Theory of consolidation predicts settlement due to prime consolidation. It cannot include settlement due to initial settlement due to 10 मिनट में. ओके ठीक है. खा लूँगा मैं. Retention का भी है not retention. This 10 मिनट बाद. This happens because of the following assumption made in the development thesis. One to soil greenness and water possible, soil fully saturated और time lag in consolidation directly due to. अब देखो D मतलब secondary oxidation result due to prolonged dissipation of excess hydroxide pressure. ठीक है. चौथा primary consolidation happen more quickly in coarse than fine erosion. ठीक है. soil testing C. more circuit drawn with data from an confined compression test through the origin. ये हो गया. maximum shear stress occur on a plane inclined 45 degree होगा. ठीक है. theta is equal to 45 degree sin to 3 is a soil yielded maximum size of 30.5 43 डिग्री सेल्सियस इन द सॉइल इज 2.65 ये गामा डेल्टा ये हो गया गामा डेल्टा आंसर ऐसे ही इसको डब्ल्यू कर दिया ठीक है। अब द कॉलम्स विद थ्योरी डी देयर इज इक्विलिब्रियम ऑफ द होल और द वाटर सरफेस इज रफ ये हो जाएगा। In a clay soil having 15 km per meter as unit weight and 80 km per meter square is a unit weight, an excavation is made with a vertical face. Taking Taylor's establishment 0.27, what is the maximum depth of the excavation so that the vertical face remains stable? 10.6. इसको तो C अपने फर्स्ट का माइंड टू एच हो जाएगा। अब तो बॉस्निक मैथमेटिक्स एक्सपेंडेड एट्रीब्यूट को 2000 में अप्लाइड किया था। अब ये क्या होता है 0.4775 k/z स्क्वायर ठीक है। अब देखो इन एनफोर्स्ड C in enforced component subject to flexure the external applied moment is exerted by an internal couple forced by हो जाएगा steel over steel and concrete the magnitude vary with the applied while the lever moment depends on the pressure component the external moment is exerted by an internal couple but it is lever arm that changes with the loading at and stress in moment kilometer. GPS position of the observer on ground determined by orbital satellite. Atomic classification satellite to consider the position of the to add the determine absolute position where accuracy of 1 cm to 5 cm depend upon the health of the temporary benchmark has been applied at the soffit of the Cheja on is known as 102.405 ohms. The backside used in stabilizing the height of the instrument by n button 1.8 for 1.5 recently ये हो गया ऐसे इसको तो यहाँ से आगे आगे लोग को लेते आगे एटेंस car provided by for a circular radio car gauge being 1.5 meter with the maximum super resolution restriction frequency and what is the length of the tension curve for balancing the RE of B max 4.35 R minus 47 then 0.07 E into B अब ठीक है D मतलब remote sensor information transfer component by use of electromagnetic हो गया remote sensing from space done by satellite हो गया remote sensing application the rate of super resolution here तो 1 and 2 regular resolution is directly proportional to the square of the velocity inverse proportional to radius of the V square 127 as per F vertic life of flexible consisting of granular substance and C as length modulus of bituminous layer and hydrogen modulus strain at the bottom mixed design of bitumen ये हो गया। अब देखो NF equal to this हो गया AF upon MR ये हो गया। Which one of the following type of steel is used in the manufacture of metro and monorail manganese steel? A sample of dry soil is coated with a thin layer of paraffin and has a mass of 461. It displaces 300 cm cube of water when immersed. The paraffin is peeled off and mass of 9 gram. If the specific gravity soil solid paraffin 2.6 the water is nearly कितना 9 G. Weight of dry soil weight of soil हो गया volume soil this हो गया V is equal to W upon G volume of air is equal to volume of water हो गया ये E is equal to V upon V मार्शल नेटवर्क सिस्टम ये क्या होता है रिसीविंग ब्रेकिंग ऑफ रिफॉर्मेट डिस्पैचिंग और वाटर ट्रेन ये हो जाएगा। कंपोजिट स्लीपर इंडेक्स मैकेनिकल स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द स्टॉक ऑफ द वुडन क्लोपर सी एस साइड टू मेटल सेटल इन दिस द normal flow on two particular roads and for solar the total loss time per signal is the optimum cycle of this 8.0 हो गया। गामा y equal to y plus y ये हो जाएगा c net equal to 1.5 L plus 5 to 1 minus 1. The observation of a particular harbor facility and oscillating wave train approaches with a wavelength of 80 meter where the inside what is the velocity of the individual D 40.05 GL tan H 2 pi DL by L upon 2S L TN for proper harbor oscillatory wave must if the C depth is 30 meter oscillatory wave is observed to be half what is the velocity of the individual velocity D 8 the wavelength L है V is equal to GL 2 pi tan H upon 2 pi अभी ये करते 1.0 V is equal to GL by 2 pi तो 8.83 glass seating building is crystalline solid and is transparent बराबर है ये glass is created by the fusion of silicate of sodium calcium and both of which are crystalline in structure. Limestone की mortar is used in construction of any cut dams since the 18th century. Portland cement is a recent material compared to Surki mortar which is based on hydraulic structure. B ये दोनों सही है but rapid method of concrete will take 3 days for trial सही बात है। This rapid method depend on curing of the environment of RMC paper used in construction of large project ठीक है। rapidly to achieve any design strength of concrete waste material quantity ठीक है। Voltage when all similarly placed bolts share the equally bolts are placed in hole having slightly larger diameter ये सही बात है ठीक है। In an RC building bond stress develop is due to poor rotation and frictional mechanical and inadequacy of bond stress by providing any courage or ठीक है। अब देखो dummy is an activity in a network a dummy is a network requiring both time and maintenance of in अब देखो C in areas where extreme cold regular pressure more is necessary to use lighter oil for automobile in the summer सही बात है। लाइटर रिफर्स टू वाइडर गड़बड़ है। Bernoulli equation applicable to one point provided the flow is steady and indifferent. सही बात है। Indicates singular motion to derive Bernoulli equation involves the assumption that the velocity potential exists and that of the flow condition do not change every time at any point। ठीक है। अब देखो डी में क्या है कि स्लोपिंग ग्लेशियल इज ऑलवेज प्रिपेयर्ड ओवर ए हॉरिजॉन्टल बेड फॉर लोकेटिंग हाइड्रोलिक जंप। सही गड़बड़ है ये। हाइड्रोलिक जंप इज द बेस्ट स्पीड ऑफ द एनर्जी होंगे। ठीक है। अभी देखो एनर्जी एनारोबिक स्लग रजिस्टर बाई इट सेल्फ इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी ए बेटर मेथड देन अदर मेथड स्टूडेंट। ये सही है। ऑल्सो रोडेंस अट्रैक्टिव राइट। सही बात गड़बड़ है। Nomography is ready reckoner to compute two hydraulic parameters if the other two are known. Hydraulic parameter can be by using minus or nomography compulsion of very complex। सही बात है। The field capacity of municipal solid waste is total moisture that can be retained if in a moisture sample against gravity. The field capacity of moisture is of critical presence interventive volume। सही बात है। अभी देखो approximate analysis of MSW is out to determine moisture content per time fixed carbon। सही बात है। Ultimate analysis of MSW is carried out to determine full range of chemical energy। सही बात है। Effect of greenhouse gas emission on the environment may compromise accelerated increase in global warming as well as influence in सही बात है। Greenhouse emission is responsible for decreased land mass, increased population, necessary food shortage। सही बात है। Fundamental principles are being to work from the whole to part। सही बात है। और whole part ensure prevent accumulation of possible। ठीक है। Compass survey is still used for geologists to locate magnetic moisture। सही बात है। और the location causes Earth's gas community to transform the future as a natural man-made। PCA is prepared raw material for construction of bituminous pavement in areas of heavy rainfall। और दूसरा क्या है in passive no stepping in as there is improvement thereby stability is improved। Stability of marginal bituminous road disintegrates even with a but such failure is not included entry decision to wrong भी सही बात है। proper design to this upgrade and condition of an Scarmet as a refractory is used in the function of rocket and jammer। ठीक है। Scarmet consisting members which at temperature high series पाठा गया होता है। Aluminum alloy with less than 6% copper used in making automobile piston। दूसरा ceramic contains for copper has high built in unlike alkaline। There is no practical method of commutating this design on a specific area of aggregate plays a vital role in achieving right mix result for design। सही बात है। ठीक है। Air seasoning of structural timber renders it more durable, tough and elastic। Kermet contains metals which are stable at temperature at high temperature। Lining of nuclear plants with especially heavy concrete is needed with shielding and protecting against several damage। Limonite is one special type of aggregate possessing a high density। सही बात है।